Sato A. Choose topic elements of group 16, 17, and 18 elements. First, we have teach introduction of P block elements. What is meant by P block elements? The elements with differentiating electrons enters in p orbital of the outermost shell are called as p block elements. These p block elements are placed in right side of the periodic table in group in between 13 to 18 of the periodic table. We already studied group 13, 14, 15 in 11 science. In the 12 science, we shall study the properties of group 16, 17 and 18. First of all, group 16 are containing oxygen, atomic number 8, sulfur, yes, 16, selenium, 34, tellurium, 52 and polonium, 84 are called oxygen family, or it is also known as chalcogens. Then occurrence of this oxygen. Oxygen is most abundant of all elements on the earth. Oxygen are formed in air by volume 20.95% and remaining part like 46.6% by mass of earth crust. Then second element in group 16 elements, it is sulfur. The sulfur are formed 0.034% by mass of earth crust, and the sulfur are occurs in sulfate such as gypsum having formula CaS4S2O. Then second sulfate form like gypsum salt. This Epsom salt having formula MgSO4 7S2. It also occurs in hydrated salt. Then third, barytes having formula BaSO4 and sulfides like galena, PbS, zinc blende, ZnS and copper pyrites like formula CuFeS2. The remaining selenium and tellurium and polonium are also occurs in the form of metal selenides and tellurides. Last element in group 16 is a polonium. This polonium element is radioactive element and which is formed in the decay product of thorium and uranium. Then group 17 elements. Group 17 elements included fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. All these elements are commonly called as halogen atoms. These chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene are occurs in gas state. Out of these, only bromine occur in a liquid state. Among these, fluorine are occurs in insoluble fluorides like fluorspar, CF2 having formula CF2. Then second is cryolite having formula Na3LF6, and third fluorides like fluorapatite having formula CA3PO4 CaF2. Then group 18 elements are included helium gas, then neon gas, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. All these are gases. And these group 18 elements include all noble gases except only radon are occur in the atmosphere. Helium and neon are also found in minerals of radioactive. For example, pitchblende, monazite, then clavite. Then radon and xenon are rarest element of the group. And last elements in this group is a radon. It is the decay product of radium. These halogen atoms are occurs in group 17 are very reactive, and these are not occurs in free state. Only astatine, having symbol AT, are found in combined form. in Earth crust. And this astatine is also a radioactive element and it has short half-life. These halogens like fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodines having main sources or occurrence are like fluorine having formula fluoride CF2, fluoropatite, then cryolite, then chlorine, sea otter, salt whales, salt whales, bromine, sea otters, sea lakes, and iodine, brine whales or sea weeds, and chill saltpeter like NaO3. An electronic configuration of these elements like group 16 elements are included oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. And these first three elements, like oxygen, sulfur, selenium, are non-metals. And this oxygen has electronic configuration like 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, or shortly helium 2s2, 2p4. Then sulfur having atomic number 16, electronic configuration neon 3s2, 3p4. Then selenium, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p4. Shortly, argon 3d10, 4s2, 4p4. Then tellurium, ring atomic number 52, electronic configuration krypton, then 4d10, 5s2, 5p4. Last polonium, having atomic number 84, electronic configuration radon, then 3d10, 5d10, 6s2 and 6p5, 6p4. Then second groups like group 17 elements having electronic configuration fluorine, helium 2s2p5, then chlorine, neon 3s2 3p5, bromine, argon 3d10, 4s2 and 4p5. Iodine having electronic configuration krypton, then 4d10, 5s2, 5p5, and last astatine, xenon 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. Then next point, atomic properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. Atomic and ionic radii. First property. In group 16, 17, 18 elements, the atomic and ionic radii are increases down the group. As a result, increase in number of quantum shells. Because here number of atomic number are increases, number of shells are also increases. Therefore, atomic and ionic radii are increases down the group. Then group 17 elements, halogens have smallest atomic radii in respective periods. The second property, ionization enthalpy. Group 16, 17 and 18 elements have high ionization enthalpy. Across period, this ionization enthalpy are increases with increase in atomic number. Here also reason behind that. The addition of electron in same cell are increases across period. Therefore, this ionization enthalpy are also increases. Ionization enthalpy means a removal of outermost electron from outermost shell. This energy required are called as ionization enthalpy. These are increases with increase in atomic number ultimately. Then third property, electronegativity. In group 16, the oxygen has highest electronegativity. Next, fluorine among all the elements. Halogens have very high electronegativity. Fluorine are most electronegative element in periodic table. Then fourth property, electron gain enthalpy. In group 16 and 17, electron gain enthalpy are becomes less negative down the group. And in group 16, oxygen are less negative than sulfur because small atomic size. Oxygen has small atomic size than sulfur. Therefore, it is less negative. And group 17, fluorine are less electronegative than chlorine. And group 18 have no tendency to accept electron. The physical properties of group 16 elements. In group 16 elements, physical state of these elements, like oxygen, are occurs in gaseous state. The remaining sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium are occurs in a solid state. Then atomic mass are increases with atomic number, respectively 15.9 of oxygen, sulfur as 32.06, selenium 78.97, tellurium 127.60, and polonium 209. Then melting point and boiling point also increases with increase in atomic number. Density are also increases with increase in atomic number. Then physical properties of group 17 elements. Group 17 elements include fluorine, chlorine, are gaseous in state. Out of this, bromine are in liquid state. Iodine and acetylene are occur in solid state. There also occurs in gaseous state. Iodine. Then atomic mass are also increases with increase in atomic number. Fluorine has 18.99 gram per mole. Chlorine has 35.45, near about 35.5. Then bromine 79.9 is equal to 80. Iodine 126.9 and acetylene 210. The atomic radii of this fluorine to acetylene are increases with increase in atomic number. And density are also increases with increase in atomic number. Melting point, boiling point are also increases with increase in atomic number. Then physical properties of group 18 elements. Group 18 elements include neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. All these elements are occurs in gaseous state, and these elements having atomic mass respectively neon 20.18, argon 39.95, krypton 77.92, xenon 131.29, and radon 222. Then atomic radii are also increases with increase in atomic number. Neon 1.54 angstrom, argon 1.88 angstrom, krypton 2.02 angstrom, xenon 2.16 angstrom, and radon that of